In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "something went wrong while displaying this web page" error in Google Chrome on Windows 11. This is a frustrating issue because it can stop websites from loading properly, slow down your browsing, or make Chrome seem broken even when your internet is working fine. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it with a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through each one clearly and safely. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, we'll begin with the simplest fix, restarting Google Chrome. Completely close Chrome first, not just the window. If needed, right-click Chrome on the taskbar and close it fully, or open Task Manager and make sure every Chrome process is ended. Then open Google Chrome again and try loading the web page. Sometimes a temporary browser crash or a short-term glitch is all that caused the error, and a fresh restart is enough to clear it. If the problem is still there, the next step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. This may seem basic, but it's one of the most effective troubleshooting steps because it refreshes Windows, clears memory processes, and resets anything in the background that may be interfering with Chrome. Once your computer turns back on, open Chrome again and test the page. Now let's move on to clearing the Chrome cache. Over time, Chrome stores cached images, files, cookies, and other browsing data that can become corrupted or outdated. That can prevent websites from displaying correctly. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the window that appears, select Cached Images and Files, and Cookies and other site data. You can also choose the time range you want to clear, and if you're not sure, select All Time for the most thorough reset. Then click Delete Data. After that, reopen the website and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the message, the next thing to check is Chrome extensions. Extensions can be useful, but damaged, outdated, or conflicting add-ons are a very common cause of web page display problems. To manage them, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. From here, disable anything that may interfere with browsing, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, or any suspicious add-ons you don't recognize. You don't necessarily need to remove them right away, but turning them off helps you test whether one of them is causing the issue. After disabling them, refresh the page and check the result. Another very important fix is disabling hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration helps Chrome use your computer's graphics card to improve performance. But on some Windows 11 systems, it can cause display bugs, rendering problems, or page loading errors. To turn it off, open Chrome Settings, then go to System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Switch it off and then click Relaunch when prompted. Chrome will restart with the new setting applied. After that, try loading the web page again. If the problem was caused by a GPU rendering issue, this can fix it immediately. Finally, make sure Google Chrome is fully updated. Outdated versions can contain bugs, compatibility issues, and security problems that affect browsing stability. To update Chrome, click the three dots again, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if one is available. Once the update finishes, relaunch the browser and test the website one more time. New updates often include important fixes that solve exactly this kind of problem, and that's it. By restarting Chrome, restarting your PC, clearing the cache, disabling extensions, turning off hardware acceleration, and updating Chrome, you can usually fix the "something went wrong while displaying this web page" error on Windows 11 quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful Windows and browser fixes, and share it with anyone else who's dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.